Ever wish you could get Bitcoin's rock-solid security and Ethereum's flexibility all in one place? That's exactly what Syscoin aims to deliver. Let's break down how it works, and why it could be a game-changer in the world of crypto. The big challenge in blockchain is the trilemma you usually get to pick just 2 out of 3: security, decentralization, scalability. Bitcoin nails security, but it's not programmable. Ethereum is programmable, but gas fees? Ouch. And newer blockchains? They scale, but often sacrifice security. Syscoin's solution? A dual-layer design. On the first layer, it's merged mined with Bitcoin. That means miners secure both networks at once, so attacking Syscoin would mean attacking Bitcoin itself. Pretty much as secure as it gets. Then on layer 2, Syscoin brings in Ethereum-style smart contracts and cutting-edge ZK-Rollups. So you get all the flexibility for DeFi, NFTs and more, plus insane throughput. Think up to 210,000 transactions per second, for a fraction of a cent per transaction. The SYS token is the fuel here. It covers network fees, powers masternodes, lets you vote on upgrades, and acts as currency across the ecosystem. With a hard cap of 888 million tokens and rewards for both miners and masternodes, the incentives are built to last. Syscoin isn't just theory. It's running, it's live, and it's backed by a veteran team. Yeah, it has competition, and sure, explaining ZK-Rollups isn't easy, but if you want security, scalability, and low fees, Syscoin is a serious contender.